will see how to create an intro card for your videos. It may be your YouTube channel or any other video. Intro card is nothing but what you want to show in your video before your actual content starts. For example, hi, welcome to my channel, and some music or something very attractive that pulls the audience and make the audience curious to watch your video. Let us go, guys. So let's go to www.canva.com. If you already have an account, you can straight away log in. Otherwise, you have to sign up and create an account. I have got an account, so I have already logged in. To create a YouTube intro, I am going to click on create a design and click on the video. Right, this is the page where you will land. Canva provides pre-made templates which we can pick up and customize as we like it. There are plenty. We will search for YouTube intro. Just click. So there are various items shown here. We will just go through them and see what will be suitable for our need. You can just go around and see. If you are running a channel, then there is a breaking news for YouTube intro, right? And there's a welcome to message. Then building business. If you are taking a courses on how to build a business and if you want to put an intro note, YouTube intro you can do, or any other video, not just for YouTube, right? So there's an educational channel intro. There are plenty. So what you can do is you can go through them and pick up what you like to. Let me pick up a couple of them and see how we customize, right? So let us start. I'm interested in this one, so I'm clicking on breaking news. It has come to the right hand side. Each component is editable, if you can see, right? So we can accordingly change. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this and I'm going to just add a text, and I'm going to click this and it has come here, right? So I'm going to change this as server news, right? And I'm going to keep it to the left hand side corner, simple, right? So, and breaking news is okay. This is just an example, guys. So whatever you actually need, you can just add. So I'm going to say that server, this is server reaches 1,001 million subscribers, right? So just an example, guys. Hopefully with all your support it will happen one day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce the size. I'm going to the top and just clicking. I'm trying to bring this line in one line, this sentence, right? So I'm just keeping it here, and breaking news is fine, right? So what we have done so far is that we changed the channel name. Breaking news, we have left it like that and added a breaking news, right? Very simple. It looks nice. Now if you want to add music, on the left hand side, if you go, there is an audio option here, and you can just listen to a couple of them, and whatever is appropriate you can just pick them and add. So here let us see happy, mother, upbeat, pop. There are different varieties of audio here. So let us see, probably whatever will be suitable for news, that too for flash news. Let us see if there is anything specific available, right? So we can just to try a jazz, just for an example, right? So yeah, so I'm clicking on jazz and let us listen to this. I have just clicked and it has come to the right. So I have clicked on the audio and I am going to search for breaking news. We will see whether any suitable audio is available. Yeah. So I'm going to bring this up, breaking news. I'm going to bring this up here, and I will remove the breaking news and see how it looks like. Yeah, and let me play this and see how it looks like. Breaking news was shown, right? So if you want to save this file, you can click on save, and if you want to download this file, you can just download, and that's MPV4. There are various options available here, as it's with audio and video, which is dynamic. Then we can save it as an MP4, which is fine, and clicking on download. And let us try something else. I'm going to the template back and searching for intro. Right, let's go to home and come back. As I want to do it afresh, I'm just opening again. Right, you got a blank template, so I'm going to template. I'm searching for YouTube intro. Let us search something like welcome to channel. Yeah, this looks interesting. Yeah, so welcome to, it has come to the right hand side. I'm saying Sarva News. Okay, welcome to Sarva News. And of course audio also we can play and see how it looks like. See, you can see some graphical effects. Right, it looks nice. Let us add some audio. Click on the audio and we can see, we'll search for welcome. Let us see, we have something happy. We'll search for happy. Okay, so let us click on happy whistling stuff and see how it looks like, and play and see. So if you like the music, you keep it. If you not, you can try a few other music available here. Audio, you can just pick up anything. If I point to the mouse there, the tooltip shows that it's a Canva Pro stuff on the right hand side. Right, so this means that this particular music, Live for Dreaming, is available only for paid users. But when I click on the happy whistling, this stuff, I'm not getting anything. So this audio will come for free. Right, so this is important to note that. So let us save this one. When I click on save, it is saved in Canva, and when I click on download, it will be downloaded to my local, and I am downloading it as an MP4 video. Yeah, so it is getting downloaded. So let's go there and click on the stuff and see how it plays. Nice. Right, so if I want to create just one more similar stuff, I can just go and create from blank template. Right, so let's search for YouTube intro. It's very easy, guys, as you can see that, right? So just seeing something different. Okay, that's in welcome to folder here, so it has come there. So welcome to, there are two. Remove. We'll change the second one to welcome to, this is server. It's very simple. It's as I told you, right? And click on audio and choose something we like. So I will say welcome and see whether we have got something. I'm just going random, guys. You can just see how the sound is. If you like the audio, go with that. Otherwise you change as you like it. So I'm playing, and you can see, guys, how it looks like. Yeah, so simple. You can just save this, and also there is an option on the left hand side, that is styles. So if you click on the styles, there are different options shown here. If you select any of the styles, the style on the left hand side, that is a color, font type, will be applied to the video on the right hand side. Let us click one and see it is changing. Yeah, I'm clicking couple of them. Yeah, whatever you like, you can save. Right, so let us see some more colorful if it is there. Okay, So I'm just clicking a few. Right, we leave it there and we can just save this. It is saved in Canva folder. I am downloading it again and just click on download. It gets downloaded. That's all I wanted to cover in this video. Please share your comments and also subscribe and press the like button if you like the video, and also press the bell icon to get notification whenever I release my next video. Please let me know any topic you would like me to make a video and share with you guys. This is Sarva signing off. Be happy. Love you all. Bye bye.